Bonjour, my name is Bobby, and I teach in a blended setting, teaching predominantly asynchronously with intermittent synchronous experiences. This is an activity as a part of a unit called Les Vacances, or vacation, and the lesson within this unit is called Allons, vacances. It's for a level 2 French class, so novice mid to intermediate low in this particular class. And the theme of the unit is, as you may have guessed, talking about going on vacation. And so students are learning the vocabulary associated with going on vacation, or aller en vacances, and the associated activities. The communication mode for this particular activity is presentational, and the task itself is for students to reserve a hotel room at the beach for their family. And as the eldest child in the family, they've been asked to leave a message on the answering machine of the local travel agent with all of the necessary details. So in terms of my role in this particular activity, I'm setting them up with the task in the online course, and they have to write their script to leave this message. If we take a look at the details, they do a lot of the work on their own, but then they have the opportunity with a classmate using synchronous software to practice their activity before they then record it using the built-in recording features within our learning management system. So in the message, they have to talk about the number of people in their family, the number of rooms they'll need, the destination of choice, their arrival and departure dates, the type of hotel they want, and then 3 different activities that they want to do there. So this is where they get to bring in various expressions and be really creative, as well as throughout the rest of the activity, choosing the number of rooms, the departure and arrival dates, and then leaving their name and a phone number. So there's a lot of choice built into this activity. In terms of assessment, they're going to be given an activity rubric I'll show you in just a moment. And what was really important for me was that not only that they have this activity rubric at the beginning before they start working on their recording, but further that they have the opportunity to actually contribute with their assessment and to contribute to the rubric. They are going to, with their classmate, also talk about a potential criteria that they and the classmate together can submit to be used in their individual evaluations. If we take a look at the rubric, you'll see it here, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it will fit within the window. There you go. So you'll see there, they're going to be assessed according to vocabulary, to function and structure of the language, how they are understood or compréhensible, their use of the language in terms of correct grammar. And then this final section here called au choix is where they have the opportunity to submit a criteria. And my thinking there is that students are much more engaged and involved when they have some stake in the evaluation process. Furthermore, by getting the rubric before they begin the activity, they already have a sense of what constitutes quantity. So I hope you enjoyed my Think Aloud for this particular activity, Allons, vacances.